Is a deck 2 ocean view really worth it for your cruise? Follow along and find out for yourself. Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel. These next 2 weeks we are sailing on Grandeur of the Seas in an ocean view room. Now our room for this cruise is 2630, and yes, we are on deck 2 in the aft part of the ship. When you walk into the room, just like the other rooms that you've seen, we're gonna have a closet on one side and the bathroom on the other. So this storage is really good for an ocean view room. So we weren't really expecting a lot coming on the bottom floor of our ocean view. But when you look inside this closet, you actually have shelving and drawers. So that's super convenient to be able to store all of your things. We've got all of our suitcases in there. You're going to see life jackets, and then there's plenty of room for both all my husband's suits, my dresses, our hang-ups, and we've actually got 3 bars in here to attach all of the hangers to get everything organized. Across from the closet, we have our bathroom, and these look a little bit smaller than what our normal bathrooms have been. You once again have the cloth curtains like we had on Radiance. You've got your normal sink, but this time, instead of the corner mirror storage, you actually have a shelving unit with drawers for all of your storage needs. Moving on into the stateroom, the main focus here is the bed. It does take up over half of this room, but you're gonna notice we are using the Pullman for our daughter. She is loving having this as well. They also have the ladders, so don't worry, you don't have to lift your kids up and down to get into the Pullman. We just have it taken away so she doesn't play on it. Now, this room is equipped with 2 Pullmans. You've actually got one that's over my head. You've got the one that's down here, and then the couch actually folds out as well. So lots of options for sleeping arrangements in this one ocean view room. We have the bed set as a king. The beds can also separate as well. So with all of these options for beds, you can sleep up to 5 people in the room, though it would be a little tight. The options are there. Now, while you're used to lounging on your couch and watching the beautiful TV and all the channels in front of you, you'll notice you haven't seen one yet. The TV is actually situated on the bathroom wall. It might make it kind of awkward while sitting on the couch, but you have a wonderful view from your bed to be able to lounge and watch TV that way. The vanities in the ocean view rooms on Grandeur are a little bit different. There are no coolers. For Grandeur of the Seas, only spacious ocean view rooms and above get coolers. Now you'll notice as we sweep through the vanity, you'll see a medical fridge that was provided by Royal Caribbean. So you can request that if you have medication that needs to come with you on your voyage, but this is not a normal piece of equipment for the stateroom. The normal pieces of equipment, we've got your safe, we've got it located inside the cabinets, and you're gonna notice there is shelving galore in here. So you have lots of places to stay organized and to put everything, which was unexpected coming into this small ocean view room. You've got drawers, and these are nice deep drawers to put all of your belongings on one side. And then on the other side, you have small drawers, very short. So you've got your t-shirts and that sort of deal that can fit in there. In front of the chair, you're going to notice there is also another drawer, and this is usually where you'll find your room service papers. The normal thing that you'll notice is the same as behind these wonderful mirrors. You've got more storage. Now, at first we were a little bit hesitant on booking an ocean view room, but we really wanted to go on this itinerary. Overall, even though the room is a little smaller than what we're expecting, there's tons of storage and enough space for everything and everybody. And an important thing you'll notice is you don't hear the engines. Lots of people on lower floors are concerned about the vibrations and the noise of the engines. There is none of that, and we are moving full speed ahead today. Now, if you're loving watching our content, consider clicking on this video right here and let us know what you think about this ocean view room and if you would stay here.